What's the meaning of boob? Boob. Boob.
Boob. Boob. Boob has multiple meanings, and the meaning can vary depending on the context. However, the most common meaning of boob refers to a woman's breast. It is typically considered a slang term and is often used informally. Despite its informal usage, the term boob can be seen as derogatory and objectifying. It reduces a woman to a body part and can perpetuate harmful stereotypes about women. In some contexts, boob can also refer to a foolish or silly person. This usage is less common than the first meaning but is still somewhat prevalent in informal language. Overall, the meaning of boob is often dependent on the context and can be interpreted differently by different people.